how to create vector images in Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So to be able to create a vector, we're first going to create our design. So first, let's try to create a very simple logo over here. Now vectors are typically used to create designs or images that are going to be used for web design. And they need vector so that there won't be any pixel mistake or pixels that will appear when they enlarge a photo. So for example, we could do it with our logo right here, like that. That's a very simple logo. After this, you're simply going to click on share over here on the top right and click on download. Over here, you're going to select our file type and we're going to select SVG, as you can see, best for web design and animation because it will keep it crisp and clean. You could also enable transparent background if you're working with a similar project or similar style as this, where I'm just using white as a background. So click on download and we should be able to have our SVG downloaded over here. So if we check this out, you can see it's going to be very crisp. As you can see, there's no pixels appearing. But if we download this as a typical PNG, there will be some pixels that would appear. So let's just show you the difference between the two. Over here. Wait for it to load. Now the difference between the two is very visible. As you can see, there will be some pixels that would appear. But compared to this, you can see it's very smooth. So if you want to be able to export images just like this, simply look below at the description and check the link in the description so that you will be able to inquire for a free 30-day free trial for Canva Pro if you want to try out what we're doing right now. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.